Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to sign in to your Gmail application. So firstly, of course, you need to open the Gmail application on your device and then click sign in button in your bottom side of your screen and then select Google option. Click continue button. And here you need to type your email address, and then you need to enter your password to this email. And then when you're done, you need to click next button. Here Gmail asks you if you want to receive some notifications. If you want, you can click allow button. And so that's basically it. We have signed in to our Gmail address. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video will help you. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.